channel Shaurya Sanadia. So today's video is going to be a fun collab with Pretty Bhaiya. If you guys don't know who Pretty Bhaiya is, that is Pretty Bhaiya. Say hi.
Hey guys, कैसे हो आप लोग? That's how I do it.
Yeah. So the plan is to do a fun challenge today with Pretty Bhaiya, and I did not know that I have a YouTuber in the same society. And when I got to know that I have one, I thought that collaboration is must. You must check out his channel. He does some crazy stuff. Well, there is another video that we've shot for his channel, so go check it out. It's damn crazy. Like, you wouldn't see this avatar of me ever.
Sure,
So yeah.
Like you dancing like crazy.
Yeah, let's not talk about that. No, let's not tell them what it is. So go check out the video on his channel too. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. So let's start this vlog. It's gonna be a guess what you are eating challenge. So like we'll be blindfolded. I think you guys know the drill. So we're going to this place to pick up random things. We wouldn't show each other what we've picked, and then we're gonna do the challenge. So let's go. So we're here at Dorabji, and we're gonna split up now.
Yeah.
So see you.
Yeah. See you.
Bye.
All the best.
Thanks. So I'm confused between ginger garlic paste and green chili paste. I don't know why I'm more inclined towards the green chili paste. So let's just take that.
I don't know who was this thing, the green
There. So guys, this is like a food heaven right now. I've already picked 3 things right here. Still have 2 more to go.
So there is one thing that Shaurya absolutely hates. There was this one time when she ate this, she puked, which is oats. I'm very sorry, Shaurya, but yes, my second item is going to be oats. Yeah. The item is sweet potato. I hope she hates it. I am very sure that Shaurya is going to hate me for this. What do you have? I really want to see your basket. Shaurya, don't run, Shaurya. I'm coming behind you. Please don't run. I have this feeling that Shaurya has something really special inside her bag. I really want to, peek and get a look at it. But the thing is that she's running away from me, so shit. Alright, my last food item is red chili. I'm very sure this is going to freak her out. So all the best, Shaurya. You don't know what's coming. You don't know what's coming, Shaurya.
I already have a lot of things in my basket, so I'm gonna bill. He's still busy. I don't know where he is. So, yeah. Excuse me. You can't.
Tell me what you have.
No, you can't see my basket. Go.
How much did you do this? Is that?
इसमें सब दिखेगा, wait.
नहीं दिखेगा. See? My eyes are open.
मेरे को double करना है.
Shit.
So guys, we are back.
Yeah.
We shopped a lot from Dorabji, so we have some really crazy stuff, which is why I've prepped the entire table with water and like spoons to know,
Tissue
like
papers.
tissue papers, because I'm sure he's gonna puke everything out. So I'm gonna blindfold him tight. So I'm gonna blindfold him. I'm gonna take out one stuff at a time. No, you wanna start with the less bad things, or you wanna start with
Oh! So everything is bad.
Everything is bad.
Not even one good thing for
No.
me. Okay, I'll start with less bad.
Less bad.
Yeah.
Thing, no? Okay, look in front.
Where?
Just look in front, no? So
Okay,
that you don't see
here?
the dabba. Look in front, na. That's front for you.
Sorry.
How Pretty Bhaiya has lost it.
I'm very scared right now.
You should be. Okay, so the first thing that I have with me is this.
Okay, I can see it. I can't, sorry.
You can open your mouth.
You're over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not ready for this.
Arey yaar, open your mouth quick.
Oh!
This was less bad, by the way.
Ow! What was
You have
this?
to guess it.
Eee! What is this?
Guess.
Okay, 1 second. What? This is like that.
Like what?
Like, it's so sour and like
What is it?
it's pickle. What is
It's
this?
not pickle.
Arey, what is it? What is this?
What arm?
Am something. What? Amras?
No, this is not armrest, but you're close.
I'm close.
Yeah.
Chaat. What? Something arm only. No, this is.
Yeah, something arm, but
Something
not
arm only,
the
right?
arm that you're thinking.
Oh.
I'm giving him hints, yeah.
No, I can't guess this.
No?
I think it's arm something, but
You
I
can't
have
guess
to let
it.
this go. Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
That's amla juice.
Ah! Shit! I was close. I was
Okay,
so
arm
close.
and amla is like two
I was
different
thoda sa
things.
close na amla
Ah.
thoda sa close sa.
Okay, ready? So the next thing is
Yeah.
this.
I'm not ready by the way, but yeah.
You'll have to win. You don't have a choice. And by the way, whoever wins gets to give the other person coffee because that's what I like. And clearly
Okay,
you're
what?
losing.
We'll see.
Okay, open your mouth.
Yeah.
अरे यार
One
आना
second.
जल्दी गिरेगा.
Prep time.
You need prep for this.
Yeah. Really?
अरे गिर रहा है जल्दी आओ. Sorry.
Ah! What is this?
Sorry.
Oh!
You need water.
What was this? What is this? Never tasted anything. It's burning also, a little. Even this was a little weird only.
Yeah, obviously nothing is supposed to be good right now.
I thought we were doing this good thing, nice things. You're gonna get me nice, good things.
No,
but-
then you'll guess it, no?
Shit. What was this? I passed. What was
You
this?
pass this. I'll give you. I'll give you.
Like,
a
can you give
hint.
me a hint?
Yeah, this is used in salads.
Salads, vinegar oil.
Close.
It
It is vinegar, but it's a
is
flavor.
vinegar, right? It's a flavor. What is do I put in my?
This is vinegar,
Yeah, and
but
Something-
Like, yeah,
what
something
is it?
vinegar.
something.
Like one word and then vinegar.
So I got it right. Vinegar is I got it.
I'll give you half a point. I
Okay,
won't
half
give you
a
full. This
So what was it
balsamic-
exactly?
Balsamic vinegar.
Oh, I would have never guessed that. To be very honest.
Next,
Yeah, next.
सीधा देखो.
So 1 second prep time.
This is also bad.
This is bad, or what?
Yeah.
How bad is this?
Decent bad. It's not really that bad. A relief from.
Can you give me something nice?
In the
I am-
end, I'll give you something.
I am crying inside right now. You can, like, my eyes are all watery and everything.
Okay. You didn't expect this from me.
No,
right?
no, no. I thought you were gonna give me chocos, this, that, dairy milk,
No.
and all that.
Okay.
Shit.
Ready?
Okay, bring it on. I'm ready. Oh,
Do you need tissues? Sorry.
oh, oh,
Oh God. Tissues here.
oh, what was this?
You need to guess it. If I tell you everything, what's the point?
Shit.
I'm clearly winning. I'm getting the
This was
coffee today.
disgusting. This was so
I thought
bad.
this was gonna be good.
No, this was. This is some vegetable or something, what?
No, this is. Hey, every time I can't give you a hint.
But this is so tough to guess and this is so bad.
Yeah.
What is this?
You need to guess.
Shit, what was this? But I quit. I give up. What was this?
You sure?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah.
This is salsa sauce.
What?
Hot salsa.
What? How could I not guess this?
Listen, you're clearly losing. You need to buck up.
Really?
Yeah.
But I don't like salsa sauce.
This is hot salsa.
It was so spicy and
Yeah,
weird.
obviously, this is hot sauce. Hot salsa sauce.
Shit. Oh
Yeah, ready?
yeah, it had those, you know.
You need
those
water
little
for
bit-
this, so keep water ready.
Ah shit, this is gonna be something very spicy, right?
I don't know.
Here we go.
I'm not going to give you too much.
Thank you so much. मेहरबानी की आपने.
You won't be able to take so much from this.
Ah.
Ah. Ready?
No.
Sorry.
Okay, I am.
Sorry for being the evil one here.
Bring it on. I'm
Yeah.
gonna guess this one. I think it's red chili.
Ah,
popcorn.
chalo, kholo on. Oh, sorry.
This was okay. This wasn't that bad. This
Yeah.
was. I have tasted this before. It's like it's a dip.
It's a dip.
It's mayo.
It's mayo, but there's a
With something?
flavor. Yeah,
Flavored
there's a
mayo or
flavored
something,
mayo.
right?
So you need to guess what.
Hey, you can't do that. Spicy or something. Spicy mayo or something.
No, this is not spicy. This is
No,
a
this
clear.
wasn't spicy.
No, this
So
is
what
a
was it?
clear
This is mayo.
flavor mayo. So like it's not plain
So
mayo.
you have to give me this one because I guessed it right.
But this is not mayo. This
Oh,
is mayo, but
this
this
is
has
mayo,
a very clear flavor of something.
What is this? Mayo and what?
Again, I'll give you half a point only.
Hey, yaar, you can't do that, yaar. I already have half a point
Yeah,
only now.
this is wasabi mayo.
Oh. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, again, let you start.
Okay. I'm very sure you're not ready for this, Shaurya.
Enough of the build-up.
I'm gonna take my revenge, Shaurya.
Let's see. You only have 2 points. Where's water? See, I can't see.
Wait. Let me just arrange everything for you.
Okay. Honestly thought that this blindfold is very thin, so I'll be able to see, but
But you're not able to see.
but I'm not able to see.
I'm gonna start off with something very basic.
Basic.
Yeah,
Okay.
very basic. Alright? I have to open this.
Hey, this is a packet.
Yeah.
Chips ka packet.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
But कौन से chips that you
Yeah.
remember, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But chota chota.
छोटा छोटा.
Rice? Something?
That's why I got this one because you won't be able to guess it only.
Mm.
Yeah. That was the strategy. That was
These
the
are some
strategy plan.
rice sticks.
Okay, do you want more?
Mm.
Did you like it though?
Yeah.
You liked it? What? I was talking to the camera and I was like, no, you're not gonna like this.
No, no.
I thought hated it.
Something like kurkure?
Not? No. Something like they are chips at the end of the day, but they're
Yeah,
different.
but like I'm sure they're rice sticks, but I don't know
See,
the
these
brand.
are Korean chips. So
I wouldn't know, but I'm
So
sure.
if you don't know
they're-
the brand, I just want you to, what flavor is this? That's what I'm asking.
Acha, what flavor you're
Yes.
asking?
जैसे मच्छी के चिप्स रहते हैं वैसे कौन से? I'm giving you
I'm
a
a-
good hint.
Vegetarian.
You're a vegetarian? Shit, I'm just giving you an example though. What? Okay, this is not veg. You're a vegetarian?
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
I told you I'm a vegetarian.
Oh shit!
I'm gonna kill you. I told you.
I'm not even know that.
I told you I'm a vegetarian.
Really? I didn't know that. I'm so. Really?
Yeah.
So I made you non-veg for the first time? Oh shit! I didn't know that. Okay, I'm just gonna give you this one. These are shrimp flavored crackers. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
You are disqualified. But it's just flavor, na?
Yeah, flavor. Only the flavor. It's
Yeah,
not-
this is not.
These are chips. Only the flavor. is-
Yeah, but this is not.
No, these
yeah.
are not actually shrimp. Sorry.
Yeah, okay.
So there was this one time when Shaurya ate once and she. Okay, are you ready for this one?
Yeah, I hope it's a vegetarian flavor.
Yeah, this is veg.
I can't believe you give me shrimp flavored shit.
I'm sorry. I think you will be able to guess this one. Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
Aram se. Can't guess this.
Oh.
What?
I'm not able to stop.
You don't? Okay.
Oh, your mouth is so
No,
tough.
no.
Is it oat?
Yeah.
Oat?
Yeah, oats only. You
I
told me
need
that.
water.
You told me that you hate oats and you puked once that because you hate oats. So that's why I got you oats. Do you like it?
Yuck.
I knew that you would be able to guess this, but I just wanted to see your reaction when you eat oats in front of me. I'm so sorry.
It's stuck all over.
All over, right? Not even cooked, I just gave it to you like that.
Yeah. I figured. Road.
Oats.
I don't think I'll be able to guess any other flavor because my mouth is covered with oats.
Yeah. That was my strategy.
Everything is your strategy. If I have to puke it out, I'll just have a tissue right there.
Yeah, okay.
Is it bad?
No, it's good. This one is good. I told you I got you chocolates also, right? This is the one. Please show us more. Did you puke everything out? I think.
Bitch, you gave me lal mirchi.
Yeah!
I'm gonna fucking kill you.
I took my revenge. You gave me green chili.
No, you gave me lal mirchi powder.
Yeah. Oh. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Oh shit. Sorry. Okay, take. Sorry. I'm very sorry.
Listen. But I got two
You
already.
got two already. Yeah.
Oats and this one. First I didn't get.
I don't think so you will be able to get this, but it's going to be very tough for me to, This is nice. This is good. That's why I got this for you.
Oh shit.
When it's all spicy and everything, I wanted to give you this. Yeah. Huh?
This feels like adrak.
No, not that.
It's tasteless. Or maybe because of the chili.
This one gave me thoda.
Radish?
No.
Red radish?
No. You're close. I mean, I think you know what it is. You've eaten it before, but it's tough to guess it. Because it's not cooked, no? That's why it's tough to guess it.
I give up. If
This
it's
is
not
sweet.
radish, then...
It's sweet potato.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
OG.
But the last one. Last one.
This is the last one?
Yeah, this is the last one for you.
My hide and seek is your, you know?
Yeah. It's liquid. It's
it's
something. You
liquid.
can drink this also.
You can drink it.
Yeah.
Green chili sauce.
Yeah! How? How?
I like green chili sauce.
What? You're a freak!
Yes!
Wait, how did you guess that?
Because it's green chili sauce. I think it's either Ching's or Del Monte. Tell me what it is. Is
It's weak feel.
Acha, okay. Wait.
Yeah, some weird. Wasn't it spicy?
No, you can also have. I swear it's not that spicy.
I thought it was gonna be damn spicy.
No.
This dad will freak out and all that.
I know
saw
it,
this
which
and I
is
was
why
like,
I didn't
shit.
pick the chili sauce for you. I picked the
It's pickle good one.
3. I'm already
Yes,
winning.
shit, you won. Wow, yeah, damn good. Too good. Shit. I think this one got you. This one, the
The
red chili.
red chili was really bad. Red chili
Ah.
was the worst.
But you did a great job. You
Yeah,
almost guessed
man.
everything. Except for this one, sweet potato.
Sweet potato, yeah. I
And
couldn't
this.
guess. Yeah, because that was shrimp. How on earth will I get shrimp?
Yeah.
So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this fun video that we did, and if you guys want us to do more such challenges, then do tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to watch the crazy ass video that we've done for his channel.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put the link below, so check it out, and I'm gonna see you guys really soon. Bye!
Bye!